The encephalon is the central organ of the nervous system in many organisms, including humans. It plays a fundamental role in regulating bodily functions, including motor control, memory, and many other more. The human brain has the essential function for the control and integration of the psychological activities of the whole body, but also the processes that we identify with the mind. Furthermore, each hemisphere has 4 lobes, frontal and parietal, divided by the central sulcus or fissure of Forlando, occipital and temporal. It's divided into hemispheres, the right and the left, separated by a longitudinal feature, and the outermost part is called the cerebral cortex.
I'm going to talk about 2 important features about the brain, and especially where I'm going to talk about grey matter and white matter. First of all, grey matter is contained inside the cerebral cortex, place where many sensitive and cognitive information take place. Grey matter is organized in different layers, and inside these different layers we can find neurons that process information of motor, thinking, cognitive information. As far as white matter, we can find it inside corpus callosum, and it forms a bundle of nerve fibers that are responsible for carrying information from one brain area to another. This can happen thanks to connection that are essential for communication and connections of neural activity in different areas of the brain. Both grey matter and white matter work together for the overall functioning of the brain.
The region through which most of the impulses from the brain pass through, which come from the hemisphere, and they are directed to other parts of our body. It consists in 4 parts: thalamus, hypothalamus, epiphysis, and pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is an endocrine gland that produces growth hormone. It controls most of the endocrine glands in the body. The thalamus, formed by 2 random maxon grey matter, is an important sorting station for sending sensory pathways, and it controls the movement and the memory. Instead, in the hypothalamus, we find the center of anger, thirst, pain, pleasure, and the regulation of body temperature. It works in synergy with the pineal gland, and it controls the autonomic nervous system. The epiphysis is located in the center of the skull. It's an endocrine gland that produces melatonin, a substance that regulates sleep wake rhythm.
The rhodoencephalon is the oldest part of the brain. It is an extension that starts from the spinal cord and is located in the back of the brain, near the brain system. It is an important region of the brain and is involved in motor control, balance, and other vital functions. Encephalon includes cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata, and bulb. Cerebellum is located in the back of the skull, and it is responsible for coordinating balance and precision muscle movements. It also regulates communication and socialization skills. Medulla oblongata or bulb is the seat of control over respiratory and cardiac rhythm, swallowing, vomiting, and blood pressure. Pons is crossed by numerous sensory pathways, is positioned in the brain system, and is responsible for sorting information traveling on the brain-to-brain axis, and also controls the breathing and sleep center.
The mesencephalon is a region of the brain. It is located between the prosencephalon and the rhomboencephalon, and along the connection of this. It is made up of fibers that carry sensory impulses from the peripheries of the body to the brain.
The midbrain plays an important role in coordinating eye movement and sound location. In fact, the acoustic and optic nerve fibers arrive here, and the monitor center from which the fibers that reach the eyeball parts are located here.
In the limbic system, the amygdala plays the role of central mediator of emotions, so information can travel along 2 main routes. The thalamus cortex amygdala circuit, TCA, in which information passes to the sensory cortex to reach the associated areas of the hippocampus and portion of the forebrain, including the amygdala. The thalamus amygdala circuit, TA, is more direct and involves monosynaptic connection between the thalamus and the amygdala, which allow an immediate response to stimuli that are, however, not very common.